People get this question wrong all the time, and I don't understand. I think it's a really easy question, but yeah, people get it wrong, and they can never really explain what the problem is. It seems obvious to me because it's very easy to predict the question here. We can use the answer choices immediately to know that we're going to have to think about singular versus plural, right? We have kind of some garbage choices like A and C, which are the completely wrong spellings of the pronouns its and their. But then we have the singular its and the plural their. And so we need to make sure we're referring to the correct thing and that we're using, if it's singular, a singular pronoun, if it's plural, a plural pronoun. So we should be going into this sentence looking for the word that these pronouns are replacing. So what does it say? Scientists have long known that soot particles facilitate melting by darkening snow and ice, limiting the ability to reflect the sun's rays. Well, what's reflecting the sun's rays? The snow and the ice, right? Because the soot is darkening the snow and the ice, so it's not the soot that's reflecting the rays. I mean, soot is black. I mean, snow is white. It reflects. There's other stuff in this passage that gives us that context, but it's right there. And snow and ice, that's two things. So we need the plural there. Maybe that's where people have trouble, is they're like, oh, well, snow and ice are both singular, but and is an addition word. It makes them plural by bringing them together, right? If I said, the dog and cat have dirt in their fur, that makes sense because it's two animals, right? We wouldn't say the dog and the cat have dirt in its fur. That just sounds weird. And so I don't know. To me, these seem equally kind of weird sounding if we use the singular, but somewhere along the line, I guess people just kind of get confused. So I don't mean to insult you if you got this wrong, but I just would say that it might be that you were going too much based on sound or instinct and not enough based on rules, because the rule for pronouns is very straightforward and it needs to be applied no matter what the sentence sounds like. So if you can get your brain on that track by predicting the question, you're less likely to make kind of silly mistakes like this. So try to do that. Pronoun questions are very easy to recognize, and the rule is pretty consistent. So these are questions you want to get right every single time.